This conference will now be recorded.
So I request everyone, join the training on time team so that we can respect others' timing, others' time also. So uh, there are few statements I would like to announce as it is a finalist. Okay, the whoever joining today, everyone paid the course fees. So hence I can go with some guidelines. Some guidelines. Anyhow, I sent an email. I'll send an email to you about the guidelines. Still, I want to reiterate for 5 to 10 minutes all of them. Then I'll start today's content. So say daily attend the session daily. Okay, try to attend because there are few things which you cannot avoid. Health in the important functions we cannot avoid. Yes, you can try to attend the sessions daily basis. Daily basis. So second is drop an email. Drop an email. It is mandatory. Okay, to drop an email to me if you are not able to attend the training. If you are not drop an email to me if you are not able to attend the training. Okay, at least 5 minutes before the session, before session starts. So what does mean team? Okay, let's say tomorrow I am not able to attend. I know. Okay, I have my plan. Then you drop an email, okay, stating that Venkat, I am not able to attend 19th or 20th February. Please send me the recorded video. You no need to say, tell me in the WhatsApp. No need to do that. Third one, already I created a ID, okay, Venkat A group and Venkat B group. Okay, so there are two groups are there, Venkat A, Venkat B. So don't try to uh, follow your own rules. Okay, the groups are there only to discuss technical stuff. Groups are there for only technical doubts to helping each other technically, not for anything else. Okay, don't try to be over smart. I have seen in few batches people will do over smart. Okay, don't do any silly things. College student mind people like that. Don't do that. So I request if you are in Venkatye, be in the Venkatye group. If it is needed, I will swap them. So your mainframe ID, if you add, I gave the link, WhatsApp link also. If if your Venkatye is the group, that is a mainframe ID. That is a mainframe ID. If Venkat B is the ID, okay, that is a mainframe ID. So I will ping the password for Venkat A, Venkat B in the respective groups. I'll ping in the respective groups. Okay, there, whenever you do login, okay, whenever you do login, just on log out from mainframe server, just ping as like this, just ping like in the WhatsApp chat, logged in. Okay, log out is done. Like that, you message so that others, when you logged in, others will wait for your response. Okay, that is a one. So you will get when there is no session. When there is no session, let's say if I take a leave, I don't inform either WhatsApp. I don't inform in the or WhatsApp. Only I'll drop an email until I'll drop an email to all. Okay. Hence, sometimes you need to check the spam also because I might be sending more than 12 people in a bulk, right? So it might be falling under spam. Kindly check it. Okay. Kindly check it. Next, I'll drop an email to you when there is no session, stating that no session today or tomorrow like that. Next one. So for one or two people whoever done the payment yesterday, I already gave the mainframe ID access, sorry, soft copy material access. So today I will give access to soft copy material. Soft copy material. I don't give access for everything today. I will give only access to TSO ISPF module. As we are undergoing TSO ISPF module training, I will give the access for that. Once you complete TSO ISPF, then I will give you, uh, then I will give for JCL. Okay, I will give the JCL. That is a one. Yeah. So, do you have any queries till now? So, and this is all about guidelines for your sake, for your learning sake, right? So, I request everyone do the hands-on daily basis. Okay, so you can use ID minimum to minimum 3 hours. I know you cannot use when you can use for more than 3 hours, but officially I'm giving per day you can use 3 hours. If somebody is really is doing, we can think about extending more than 3 hours also. Okay, so whoever working, already there are some people already working in mainframe technology. You also have to spend some time on hands-on. Okay, if you don't do hands-on team, you don't learn anything. Okay, that is pakka, because when I am explaining, when you are listening a song, it looks like very interesting and all, right? When you are watching a movie, same like you're learning also. If you don't do hands-on, it's like a movie. So very very important, do the hands-on. I will be giving hands-on assignments also. Please try to complete them. Okay, and drop an email to me stating that I am done with the hands-on. Okay, any queries so far? Right. So, thanks guys, thanks a lot. Okay, for joining my course. Okay, the last 2 days are demos, but this is the final list of our training. So almost everyone is going to be there till end of the training. Thanks for trusting and joining this particular training. I'll try to do my best to give knowledge whatever I know. Okay, but only one more thing. Please be active, be ask the questions continually, ask the questions meaningfully. Okay, technically it is a small or anything, any type of doubts, please ask me. Okay, when I ask some question, please respond someone, so that I'll get more interest to explain more examples, more combinations, more scenarios. If everyone is keeping silent, I might go with the one example or two examples. Then I'll say that concept is completed. This is the all about, like that I'll tell. Okay, yeah. So I don't want to waste again in any time more than I spent almost 10 minutes. Right. So, team, in our last session, we discussed about what is mainframe, who are using mainframe technology, and all of them. So today I'll explain the roles in mainframe technology. So in mainframe technology team, we have a mainframe admin, okay, mainframe developer. You might be part of support, maintenance, maintenance. You might be in maintenance team, mainframe admin, mainframe developer, support, okay, DB to DBA, CICS admin, CBA admin, or you might be system programmer, okay, mainframe tester, mainframe tester. So these are all the roles, okay, in mainframe technology. So there might be other roles also: mainframe system programmer, CICS system programmer, DB2 system programmer. Okay, so there you might be hearing that I'm working in monitoring, part of monitoring team, part of scheduling team. Okay, monitoring or scheduling team is called operations team. Right. So the first role which we have team, let's talk about mainframe admin. So as a mainframe admin team, they will upgrade the software. Okay, they will upgrade the, let's take an example. Already there is a mainframe system, already there is a mainframe system. Now we got a latest version. Okay, it is upgraded IBM mainframe. We are learning IBM mainframe, right? The product which was developed by IBM, we are going to learn on that. So IBM mainframe, IBM company introduced a new version, new release on top of older version. Now admin will take care about upgrading the software and creating the mainframe IDs and ensuring that, okay, ensuring that is it having enough space in order to proceed further by other users. Okay, all of them will be taken care by mainframe admin. Security concerns, upgrading the security patches, everything will be taken care by mainframe admin. So for this, you should know minimal to minimal skills. You should know TSO, ISPF, ACL. Okay, and okay, you should know more about something called a spool. You should know more about REXX. Okay, you should know all of them. There might be other tools, but these are all you should know minimal to minimal, right? So these are all the modules. Now we have a mainframe developer. As a mainframe developer, minimal skills you required: TSO, ISPF, JCL, VSAM, COBOL, DB2. So I would say that kicks is optional, but nowadays in the openings they are asking kicks also. But it is not necessary to know CICS to work on as a mainframe developer in IT. Sometimes the people will use the combination TSO, SPF, JCL, VSAM, COBOL. Sometimes instead of VSAM, they use DB2 to store the data. Okay, so these are all the modules will be used in mainframe as a mainframe developer. There are some tools also there. I don't say these are only the things. There are tools like a changement tool, endeavor tool, we call as a version control tools, and debugging tools. You should know version control tools. You can start exploring version control tools and scheduling tools like we have something called CA7, we have something called control M, we have something called OPC and Tivoli scheduler tool. These are all the scheduling tools. Okay, no, sorry, I am wrong. Okay, it should be debugging tool. You should know debugging tools. So IBM debugging tools are, we have a IBM debugger, expeditor. These are all debugging tools. Okay, so version control tools are endeavor and changement. These are all the tools. Ideally, as a mainframe developer, you should know it. Next, so as a mainframe developer team, we write the code. We will modify the existing programs. Okay, we will modify the code. We will write the code as per the new requirement. So these are all the things will be done by mainframe developer. So next, when we are in a support, which I can say it is a very where you should keep monitoring that, but it is a Support is the one. Okay, in support team, you need to monitor the jobs. Okay, you need to monitor the jobs like a traffic police. Okay, like a traffic constable. So all vehicles are, the stopping or not when there is a red signal, when there is a green signal, all the vehicles are moving or not. Okay, anyone crossing the, anyone not following the signal, all the things they will monitor, right? So when you are in support, we should monitor what are the programs are executing. All programs are executing as per the date and time or not. If anything is not executing, okay, why it got not executed. If something went wrong, we need to find what is went wrong until that, the problem details with the share with the admin. Okay, not admin, the development team, whoever is responsible for that particular task. Support is to monitor the things, to monitor the programs. Whichever the programs are running on the back end, all are executing properly or not. If something went wrong, we can find them. So, support. So, we will say TSO, ISPF, and JCL. So, we have a TSO, ISPF, and JCL. You should know minimal skills. You need to know TSO, SPF, and JCL other monitoring tools. Next, maintenance team. When you want to be in a maintenance team, you should know again all of them, because almost maintenance means modifying the existing. You may not write. Okay, you may not write from the scratch. You may not write from the beginning, but but we have to modify existing program. I can say it is easy to write the program from the scratch instead of modifying the existing program, because existing program has a 10,000 lines. First you should understand it. Okay, how they written, what they written, what are the tables they have given, what
Sorry
are
to
the files
interrupt,
they have
Venkat.
given.
Mhm.
Hello.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt, Venkat. I have a doubt here. So in the support, so what are the tools that we needed?
No, just that's all. Okay, we use through scheduling tools. We have a scheduling tool CA7. We don't use it basically. We do login and we will see in the scheduling tools all are executing or not. Just our responsibility is seeing it.
Okay,
Okay.
so like Control M and CA7.
Yeah. Whichever the tool client is using, right?
Okay. I mean, I just wanted to know the tools for
Yeah. Correct.
monitoring.
Yeah. 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 Scheduling tools only. Scheduling tools only. The monitoring tools also. You have to log in into CA7 and see the jobs which are running. Okay. In fact, if you are new to, I know you are, some of them might be knowing, some of them may not be knowing. Go to our YouTube channel, start spending more time. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So please explore in our YouTube channel CS7 Control M all are there. Please refer them.
Okay, Venkat, sure.
Yeah. Right. So this is all about mainframe. Maintenance team. So only the thing I was telling you, right? Writing the code as per our by following the standards, understanding the requirement, writing the program is easy. Then modifying someone's written the program is always very hectic and headache challenging one. Next, DB to DBA. So as a DB to DBA, you should know TSO, ISPF, because learn login, screen navigation, all about TSO, ISPF, and you should know JCL, and you should know about DB2 and spool. Okay, they should know very well about these things. Okay, so the altogether this is a different skill set. Even I don't know DB to DBA, because creating the table, creating the database, table space, optimization of the DB2, upgrading the DB2 subsystem, all of them will come under DB2 DBA. So Kix admin is altogether it is a different. So I don't know exactly what system programmer it does. So there is a mainframe tester. As a mainframe tester, knowing TSY, SPF, JCL is very important. Okay, you should know TSY, SPF, JCL. Then knowing other modules like a COBOL, DB2, CICS is a advantage. If you know all of them, it is a big advantage. You have a good control, on testing. With minimal knowledge, if you do start testing, you may not able to find the defects. Finding a defects, finding someone's problem, you should be expert, right? Same. So the next one, team, scheduling team, operations team. So scheduling the programs should execute, this particular team, what they does team, they will schedule a program to execute on a particular date. So they will tell through, they will do the scheduling through some scheduling tools, CA7, Control M, OPC, Tivoli scheduling tool. Like that, there are other scheduling tools also there. Using those tools, using those tools, the we can schedule the jobs. Execute this program every month. Execute this program on 30th of every month. Okay, so that all scheduling will be done by scheduling team in real time. Okay, the scheduling part will be done by the client side technical guys who are from client side. If they are technical guys, they do that. Okay. Okay, team. I hope you are clear now.
Yes.
So, which role you are going to learn, team? We are going to learn mainframe developer course content. We are going to learn mainframe developer course content. Now, now we will start with the high level about each module. So our training flow starts like this. We are going to start with the TSO, SPF, then JCL, then VSAM, COBOL. After that, DB2. At the end, we will learn CICS. Okay. So when you are new to mainframe technology, you don't know about mainframe. So hence you should know how to connect to the mainframe server. You should know some terminologies in mainframe system. When you are new to Windows, right? Or when you are new to, let's take an example, okay? Your parents or your, kids or your elders, okay, like grandparents, they are new to mobile, Android mobile. What you do, you will tell that how to switch on the mobile, how to switch off the mobile, how to enter the password, how to reset the password, how to lock the app, how to install the apps, right? And how you will go to one window to another window. Okay, how to take the screenshot. So you will teach all of them, right? Because they are new to that. So here also we are learning basics Okay, if you without knowing this one, nobody can do anything. You cannot do anything. That's why I kept everything TSO SPF everywhere. So you should know how to connect to the server, how you navigate, what is the terminology like a data set, we have a rules, commands are there. All of them we are learning in the TSO SPF. All of them we are going to learn TSO SPF. Once we are done, once we are done with the TSO SPF, then we will start with the JCL. Then we will start with the JCL. Okay, then we will learn JCL. Okay, so I cannot give a simple example to understand the JCL because there are a lot of things you can do with the JCL that we will discuss later in a JCL module. VSAM is the one to store your data, employees data. If you take a real time bank employees, okay, bank customers data, ATM transactions. In ATM transaction, what will be there? Transaction ID, account number, how much with the transaction amount, whether it is a debit or credit, sorry, debit or credit withdrawal. Debit means withdrawal. Okay, so are you did something fund transfer, or you what you did it? So the transaction, right? The transaction details, all of them we can store in a VSAM file, like a VSAM file, like a database. Database is nothing but to store the data. If you want to store the data, we can use VSAM files. Next, COBOL. COBOL is a programming language. What is a COBOL team? COBOL is a programming language. So using COBOL programming language, we can develop the applications. So instead of COBOL, we have a PL1. That is also another programming language. So we are not going to learn that. Okay. We are not going to learn PL1. So we use COBOL. Next, DB2. DB2 is a database. It is a relational database. We learn SQL. Okay, how to write a COBOL DB2 program. That are all things we will discuss. CICS. If you want to develop a front end screens, we use CICS. Customer Information Control System. CICS stands Customer Information Control System. Okay, so there is a spool tool, utility spool is there, ditto is there, file manager is there, file aid is there. So these are all the tools are available in the market. We will see few of the tools. Okay, any queries? Are you good team? Are you, I hope you are able to understand. Are you able to understand things?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Venkat.
Yes, yes, I am able to understand.
Okay, now as I told you the other day, mainframe is a server, or we can call as a mainframe is a system. Okay, mainframe is a server, or we can call as a system. So when I say mainframe is a system team, how you can compare with the Windows, right? In Windows, what are the operating system we have? We start, oldest version is XP, then Vista, then Windows 2007, 2010, and so on. These are all the versions of the mainframe, sorry, Windows operating system. I'm talking about first Windows. Okay, Windows operating system. Then, so we have a command prompt. What is that? We have a command prompt. Here we have something called folder. Okay, we have something called hard disk. On hard disk only, you can store folders, Excel file, notepad, everything, right? So same same in mainframe technology. In mainframe technology, we have a operating system called MVS, multiple virtual storage. MVS stands multiple virtual storage, and the latest version is ZOS 11 or 12. Okay, latest version is ZOS 11 or 12. So you can Google it. What is the latest version? Features of the latest version of the ZOS. So how we have the versions in Windows? Similarly, we have versions in the mainframe also. Operating systems. I'm talking about in terms of operating systems. So we have a MVS operating system, multiple virtual storage, ZOS G series operating system. G series operating system. We call as a G systems. Any queries, team? Right. So here we have a command prompt in mainframe. Sorry. Whereas in mainframe we have something called TSO. We have something called TSO. In Windows we have a folder, but in mainframe technology we call as a data set. So there are different types of data sets are there. We'll discuss about them eventually later. At this moment, folder is equivalent to data set. Hard disk is equivalent to, we have a tape storage device dash D. Tape and dash D. These two are the storage devices in mainframe technology. Your data, finally your data is going to store either tape or dash D. These are all the two storage devices. Right. Okay, team. Now you understood this. Now I'll talk about something called emulator. We will talk about emulator. Yeah, go ahead.
Venkat, I have a doubt. Like, what is the difference between the tape and dash D?
See, we have a CD, DVD. I don't know whether you heard about or not. Then we got a external hard disk. Now there is no concept of external hard disk. Everything is in OneDrive, right? These are all, phases of storage device, right? These are all the phases of the storage device. Earlier we have a cassette, then tape is there, right? Then we have a CD, DVD, then pen drive to hard disk, external hard disk. Now OneDrive. So same like here also, tape is an old storage device model. The dash D is the best optimized one is dash D, direct access storage device. These two are the storage devices, only versioning. The latest version I can say dash D.
Okay, thanks, Venkat.
Right. Now, what is emulator? Emulator is a software. Emulator is a software. Emulator is the software to contract mainframe system or server. So whatever you call. Example team, we have a go-to meeting. I am sharing my screen, right? You have a Zoom. You can give your system access to your friends, right? So here is similar to that. We use emulator software to connect to the mainframe system or server because server will be located either US, UK, Europe, somewhere in the world. So, but we should able to connect it from our laptop. Our laptop has a Windows operating system. Your mainframe is stored in a different hardware with a different version, right? It is a version. So using emulator, we can connect to the server which is located anywhere in the world, but we should have a proper access, admin rights, all of them. Is it clear? Right. Now we will do in the class itself, we'll do it, team. So we will download emulator. We'll download emulator. So there are different emulators are there. We are going to use the commercial one only, but it has a trial version. It is a trial. It has a trial version to use for couple of days. Okay. So we have to download the emulator. Then open the emulator. Configure mainframe server. Mainframe server IP address and port number. Then connect to you can connect to mainframe server. So we will do this now. You can go here. I will type Mocha Mochasoft TN327. What is that? You have to search Mocha Soft TN327. Open this first one and check it. Is it a mainframe screen or not? So paste it. So we need to download the emulator. Request everyone. I will ping in the chat window. Go to chat window, get the URL and scroll down. There is a download. Click on download and install by clicking next. I'm waiting for your response team to complete the software download and installation. Everyone is doing, team. I'll wait for 5 minutes to complete, download and install it. Who are connected from mobile?
No, I am connected from laptop and trying to download.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Raja. What about others?
Hi,
I'm
so
connected
so
on my
yesterday,
mobile, sir.
Yeah, Gaurav, yesterday what you did is same they are doing now.
okay,
You no need to do it. Already if you configured it, no need to do it again.
yeah, that is what I'm checking. Thank you.
Yes, I have downloaded it.
Yeah, you can install it.
Yes.
Hello, Venkat.
Yes,
I'm using my mobile, so that's why I cannot download it now.
no problem. You can do it later. I will give you the video. You will get the guidelines video. There you will get it how to do configuration. You follow the steps. No
Okay,
need to note. You
okay,
no need to know also now.
okay.
We have a video for that. You will get it. Don't worry. In fact, everyone will get it. But let's complete and do it. Okay.
Yeah, hi Venkat, this is Dikshit.
Yeah, Dikshit.
Yeah, I already have Vista TN3270. I can use it or else I need to again download this.
No, you don't need to download it. You can use it.
Thank you, but suppose me now.
Hello, Venkat.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is Rajesh. Yeah, I'm just trying to install. I'm getting error. Cannot be installed on system with .NET Framework version lower than 4.5.
Are you using oldest operating system?
Needs to be checked.
I think you might be using oldest operating system.
Hello Venkat, I have downloaded the software. What can
Okay,
we
install
do?
it. Install.
I have installed.
Okay, wait. I'll guide you rest of the things.
Okay.
Hi Venkat, downloaded and installed.
Yeah, very good.
Hi Venkat, I have downloaded and installed it.
Yeah, fine.
Here I also downloaded and installed it.
Very good. Super.
Hi, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah. So let me ask you one question. Like once the class is done, the notepad which you are writing, we will get
you
that
will get it.
notepad for our reference.
Yeah. You will get the soft copy material class notes which I am writing now. Okay, what I
Okay.
do, you will have one folder access. In that folder to go, you have to go daily. You add as a bookmark. Okay, you can download the notepad. Okay, not a problem. I will give access to download notepads. Even soft copy
So
material
like
also download it. Not videos, materials you can access it. Not a videos.
so for by end of this year, like today's class, can you show that how like where to go and where to download and everything?
Sir,
So
it is
that will be
not required. Sir, no need to show. It is easy. Okay, nothing to worry.
okay then.
Yeah. So once everyone is done, okay, I will ask someone to share the screen. Anyone can share the screen. I mean, you will not be able to share until unless if someone respond. If anyone would like to share, then I'll give the presenter access. Who would like to? Raja Misra. Okay, I'm going to you. Yeah, someone joined as an attendee. I request you to join with your name. Mr. Making, yeah. Now you are a presenter. You are good to share your screen, guys. You can also follow the same steps. Yeah. Now, yeah, guys, listen. Don't ask me after 30 days. So if you have to don't buy any chance. Okay. By the way, you don't need to buy even after 30 days also. Though they kept a trial version for 30 days, but it is not necessary to buy this particular software. So we can use it for more than 3 months. Okay. Yeah, can you share your screen, Amit Raja Mishra? I got it stopped working.
I have shared my screen. Are you able to see that?
No, no, it is disconnected. You have to reshare again. Reshare again.
Give me. Okay.
Yeah, meanwhile, others someone can. He got disconnected internet, I guess, due to the internet. It seems someone. Don't worry, team. I will guide you. Okay. Don't think about this. Yeah, Raja Mishra, can I
I
make you
have
presenter?
downloaded it in another laptop, so that's the reason.
Acha, acha. Okay, no problem. Raja Mishra, you are there. You are on mute if you are talking.
Yeah, yes, I am here. My
Okay,
there is something error in Wi-Fi issues.
no problem.
So
Okay, I will
share
guide you.
share
Not,
anyone.
not. Yeah, I'll guide you. So you will get this window team. Okay. So you need to click on continue trial. After 30 days, it will ask you the key. Whatever temporary key is generating, you have to enter the same temporary key in the bottom. So this is going to change whenever I launch this one. Same applicable for you after 30 days. 46553. So whatever the temporary key is showing to me, for first initial 30 days you don't need to do, just to click on continue trial. Then, so once you click on continue trial, there is a chance for you to get the blank screen or some error. So click on file, edit and new session, edit and new session. Okay. So type the name as your wish. You can type your name. You can type your name and mainframe IP address. What is that? Mainframe IP address and port number. You have to enter like this. I'll repeat how I got it. File, edit, just select the name what you like. IP address, you can give the IP address of the mainframe server and port number 23. Terminal size is 24 into 80. After that, apply and connect. Apply and connect it. So for time now for me it got already connected. That's why it is disabled. So I'll wait for others to get the to give the confirmation. Are you done, team? Guys, I'm waiting for your confirmation.
Uh, what should we do? We need to change an IP address?
Yeah, yeah, because IP address is this is the right up IP address. For you, something else will be there. Enter the name and give this
Mm,
IP address. I hope you are able to see my screen, right? So whatever
mm,
you're seeing the screen,
mm.
that
Can you share that in chat? IP.
yeah, I pinged the IP address. Note it. Port number is 23.
Okay.
Hmm. You can copy paste it. Select rest of them are same. Click apply and connect.
Now I am connect. Now I am connected with that IP address.
Yes. Me too. Connected.
Okay. So apply and connect and close your mainframe emulator. Close your emulator. Once you do that, again open it. So this time it will automatically connect it because only one time configuration is required. You don't need to do every time. So whatever you downloaded, that is called emulator. Whatever you connected, that is called emulator. Is it connected by default after you reopen it? Now you have to do login. That login process I will teach tomorrow. Okay. So we will be starting practical part from tomorrow. Is it clear? So you
Yes.
will get the document access tomorrow. I will ping the password of that ID in the group. Now, okay, in that group, in whichever the group you belongs to. Okay, team.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Anyone
sir.
still doing configuration? Yeah. If there are
Uh,
no queries, yeah.
yes, Venkat. I lost in middle due to network connection. Can can you
I
ping
ping,
me the IP
I ping,
address?
I ping in the group again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let everyone complete the configuration.
24 into 80 and then connect, right, Venkat?
Apply and connect. Apply and connect.
Yeah, I got the same screen.
Nice. Okay. So you are able to connect to the server. Now we connected to some server where it is located somewhere else. That is the meaning of it.
Okay.
Okay, team. Okay, I hope you are done. We will start. You are going to start learning practically tomorrow. Okay. Meanwhile, you can go to my YouTube channel. There is a playlist TSO ISPF. By going through them, also you can start your practice. Also, no need to wait for me to complete TSO ISPF, guys.